Hey everybody, my name is Jacob with Best Buy, and today on Best Buy's Unboxed, we're going to be taking a look at the HP 11-inch Chromebook X2. Alright, as this is a Chromebook, this is going to be running Chrome OS. It's a super fast, secure, easy to use operating system. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so right off the bat, we're seeing this beautiful edge-to-edge 11-inch touchscreen. This model also features a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, so there's got the lightning fast connectivity and the reliability you've come to expect from HP. Taking a look at the rest of the stuff in the box, we've got a charging cable, the user manual. All right, now right on to the star of the show, the stuff that got me excited about this Chromebook. It's very modular design, and it comes with both a detachable keyboard with an enlarged touchpad, as you can see over here. That'll allow you to get a lot more space and travel across your screen a lot more. It's better for precision, and this kickstand. Now both of these are magnetic. They just clamp right onto the Chromebook, like so. All right, just like that, we've got it all set up with the kickstand and the keyboard. This is really great because it's going to allow you to make sure that you can see the screen from whatever angle that you're viewing it from. And we also have this fantastic magnetic kickstand. I really like this one. It feels super solid. It's going to be great for doing anything hands-free. And what's really great about this is that because it's all detachable, you can just return to that tablet mobility whenever you need it. And on this keyboard, we can see this enlarged touchpad that's going to make sure you've got all the space you need to go across your screen back and forth. Another great feature of this Chromebook is going to be its fast charge capabilities. That means that in roughly 45 minutes, you're going to be able to go from 0% charge to 50% charge, making sure that you've got the power you need to last you through the whole day. All right, and alongside all those other accessories, we also have in the box the HP pen. So what this pen allows you to do is draw and write in a more natural way, more to what you're used to if you're used to using pens and pencils. And it is battery operated. One thing that's really nice about this particular pen is that it's rechargeable and it's magnetic. Once again, my name is Jacob, and this has been Best Buy Unboxed. Thanks for coming along with me for this unboxing of the HP 11-inch Chromebook X2.